What happened to this ship? And this yacht? And what's going on here? Turns out being on a boat is quite risky. We're going to show you some epic ship accidents. But before we do, subscribe to our channel to avoid the same fate as this guy. The hull of this 223-foot cargo ship cracked and water got inside. Take a look at what it led to. Have you ever heard a 112-foot ship fall down onto the docks? When you're a little bit tired. Did you know that operating a boat is more difficult than driving a car? The captain didn't either. This is how the Norwegian Navy tests missiles, by blowing up their own ship. As for the ship, just needs a new paint touch-up and it'll be good as new. And this is how they test a lifeboat. Might be safer just to stay on the ship. A small miscalculation happens to us all, right? I mean, I'm not a sailor, but I don't think that was supposed to happen. And here's what happens when you use a crane in windy conditions. Guys, scooch! I'm trying to dock. They're at it again. Building bridges everywhere. What is a $24 million yacht capable of? For example, it can suddenly lurch forward while refueling and cause $100,000 worth of damage. That's what you'd call a lucky parking spot. This Estonian ferry was speeding when it crashed into the harbor, damaging many cars inside the vessel. And if you think this couldn't get any worse, get this. The president of Estonia was on board. He wasn't harmed, but we can't say the same for his vehicle. Yep, we are also confused as to what's going on here. Who do you think is at fault? Comment down below to let us know. And these two ships couldn't quite avoid each other in the open waters. This 40-ton ship was en route from Japan to Thailand when it ran aground and split in half, spilling oil into the ocean. The size of the oil spill is 3 miles long. When you enable cruise control and decide to chill out. When Zeus gets angry at Poseidon. The captain of this ferry lost control because of the strong wind.
Yep. Yep.
Well, that used to be a beautiful quayside in Bangkok. It's a good thing this happened in the morning when it was empty. And this yacht crashed into a fueling dock in Mexico. The captain of this vessel fell asleep at the helm. Straight up ahead is a Norwegian fjord. And here you're seeing a pleasure boat collide with a catamaran on the Moskva River. And here a passenger jetliner rams into a building in Jakarta. Nothing to add. He said it all. Just look at the force of this barge ramming a ship. And here are the consequences. And these barges collided with a dam during the floods in Oklahoma. Just watch how quickly they are disappearing underwater. And now you can place your bets. It passed, mere inches away. But we can't say the same for this luxury cruise ship. And here's a collision of two vessels in the Callao port. As a result of this collision, hundreds of tons of bunker fuel spilled into the Mediterranean Sea and the French coastline. $11 million went towards clearing it. Tell us in the comments which moment surprised you the most, and support us by liking and subscribing. Our scriptwriter might finally get a bonus.